University. We are leading in learning. Maastricht University, the youngest university in the Netherlands, is growing rapidly, with approximately 14,000 students and 3,000 staff members. Today, Maastricht University is one of Europe's most international universities, with non-Dutch students accounting for almost half of its intake. Since our foundation in 1976, we have left our mark on higher education, both in the Netherlands and in Europe as a whole. But how have we achieved this position? Well, let's take a geography lesson. Maastricht University is located in the heart of Europe. Maastricht is famous for the Maastricht Treaty, which led to the creation of the European Union and the Euro. Cities such as Brussels, Liège, Aachen, Cologne and Düsseldorf are nearby. Maastricht has everything you could wish for. A beautiful historic city centre, countless number of inviting pubs and restaurants, sports facilities and cultural hotspots. All in Maastricht is within reach, on foot or by bicycle, which makes the city especially appealing to students. The university's historic and modern buildings form an integral part of the old city centre and the Randwijk area. Within a few years, 1 in 2 students, at the moment 1 in 3, will come from abroad. Together, they represent about 70 different countries. Besides regular students, approximately 800 exchange students study at Maastricht each year. However, we don't see our students as passing consumers. Of course not. We see them as an integral part of the academic community and are concerned with getting them in the right places and offering honours programs that challenge them to put their talents to the best possible use. Are you, for example, in the top 3% of students with the best results university-wide? Then we will return the tuition fee of the academic year to you. Nice gesture, right? Maastricht University offers its students a great number of facilities. We believe that providing the best study environment brings out the best in our students. When you move to another city or country, your first concern might be finding an affordable room. Well, fortunately, Maastricht does not have long waiting lists for accommodation. Our own housing agency offers about 2,500 rooms. Should you experience personal problems or need counselling for your future career, Maastricht University gives you guidance and support, and it also offers language courses. We also stimulate students to participate in sport activities. With the Sports card, you can do a number of sports and, well, who knows, you could become a national Olympic champion, like alumno Daniel Mensch. Well, maybe that's setting the bar a little too high for most of us. Spread throughout the city, you'll find our 6 faculties, which together provide 16 bachelors, 50 masters, and several PhD programs for the most international student population in the country. Many of these programs are unique in the Netherlands and Europe, and most are taught in English. The programs are centered around 7 themes: economics, society and behavior, healthcare, liberal arts and sciences, nature, law and language, and culture. Our programs are evaluated highly, not just by students, but also by government bodies and institutes. This is partly thanks to the system of problem-based learning, which we were the first in Europe to adopt. Problem-based learning may sound a bit complicated, but is actually quite simple. In small tutorial groups, students analyze a series of challenging problems and jointly endeavour to get a grip on the issues at hand. After a discussion in which everyone contributes their existing knowledge and experience, you determine your own learning objectives. The discussions in the tutorials are monitored by a tutor, who is available to give you advice and guidance if needed. Together with lectures, problem-based learning equips you with great tools for doing your own research. Research at Maastricht University centres on international issues critical to the development of global society, both today and tomorrow. We know what we are good at and what we want to improve. That's why we devised a research portfolio. Some current lines of research are, for example, the improvement of cardiovascular diagnostics, the relationship between diet and cancer, the development of instruments for sustainable entrepreneurship, neuroimaging and forensics. In 2008, the has opened the country's second forensic institute. The unique combination of natural science, and behavioral science expertise offers new possibilities for forensic analysis, a new and powerful concept in the criminal justice world. Based in Europe, focused on the world, Maastricht University is a stimulating environment where research and teaching are complementary, where innovation is our focus, where talent can flourish. A truly student-oriented research university. We are leading in learning.